Hi, so let's check out my latest changes in my code of my calculator memo. Here it is. We made this once, and I show you that you could uh, write here, then do something like 2 plus 2 plus 3 minus 9, etc. And we'll tell you save the operation and the results here. And that's all. Now if you press Ctrl plus S, you will save it as a txt file here with your results. It will have a different name each time based on the time. But if you press Ctrl B, you will have also some transformed it in HTML. There it is. Do some maths here, and you can see if I go and see the page, you will see that is an HTML page. And you can also do some other thing, like um, you can do math, and then here is some examples. One, and I go here and I 5 multiplied for 9, it's 45. Now if I press Ctrl B, you see that I used Markdown, and then it's been transformed into HTML here and saved in a page. So I made this little change to the code using mixing together two of my different codes that you can find on my blog here. And one is this one, Markdown to HTML, and the other one is this one, that is calculator doc or calculator memo. I want to change the name, memo plus calculator. So now if it saved in txt, now it saves in Markdown and in HTML too, saving so 3 different files: txt, md, and html. And that's all for now. See you next time.